Hello and welcome to Homemaker's Choice. Today we are going to do something different in this video, and this is an old bed which I want to clean today. Without any soap or water, we are going to clean this bed. And to clean this bed, we need two items. One is baking soda and the other one a brush. These are the two items we need. Brush, or you can use a vacuum cleaner. Whatever is possible with you, you can do it. So shall we go to the video? First, we need to spread this baking soda all over the cot. You can just take little and spread. This is baking soda. Spread it especially in the corners where there are folds, where there are stitches. We are back again here after half an hour. I allowed this to soak for about half an hour, and you can allow the baking soda to be on the bed for a longer time because the baking soda has the capacity to remove all the mildew smell, and it will remove all the fungal smell, fungus also, because this bed was not used for a long time and it was kept and damp. Even the dampness it removes, especially during winter time. We may not be able to dry it in the sun, especially for those who stay in apartments. There won't be any facility to carry it to the terrace, and this is a nice way of cleaning your beds inside the house itself. It's a dry cleaning method and it is so nice, and we have already allowed it. I think the baking soda would have already absorbed all the mildew smell and moisture. It'll absorb even the moisture. So after this, we can just brush it away. We can remove it with a nice brush like this. Can you see the difference? The bed color was so pale when we before we spread the baking soda, but after, as we are removing it, can you see the bright color of the bed? The maroon red, bright maroon red, we can see here. And while doing this, you please have a face mask, because the baking soda, if you smell, you may start sneezing. This may cause irritation in your nose and eyes. So use a face mask when you do this. And this takes a long time, brushing it. And today I want to do it with this vacuum cleaner. You can use any vacuum cleaner, even the car vacuum cleaner, you can use it. So today I want to change this knob. This is very small to observe. Anyway, let me try doing it this only. And this is too small to use it now. It will take a longer time. Only for the corners this will be nice. So today I am using the bigger one. Just to cut short the video faster, I am using this. But for the corners, I'll be using the small one only, this one. We finished cleaning the bed and it looks very clean now. And this is how we clean all the beds at home. And you can also try at home. You can also use this method to keep it clean. If you like my video, please do give a like, press the like button, share it with your friends, and also those who have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.